Okay, so this is a requested video. I am trying to solve one problem related to partial differentiation. So the problem is the thermodynamical parameter P, V and T. These are connected with a relation that f is a function of P, V and T, which is equal to 0. In such case, we have to prove that del P del T at constant volume into del T del V at constant pressure into del V del P at hello আমি বলছি আপনাকে বলছি হ্যাঁ 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 বসবো ঠিক আছে আমি একটা লাইনে আছি বুঝলেন তো আমি একটু কথা আমি বসছি আমি বলছি আপনাকে আমি ফ্রি ঠিক ঠিক So del V del P at constant temperature, this value should be -1. Okay. So now from the thermodynamical relation, we know PV is equal to nRT. So this is the pressure, volume, temperature, and n is the mole number and r is the that gas constant. Okay, this is the thing. So from this relation, so now if so the function f pvt that is equal to basically pv minus nrt, that is equal to 0. So this is the function. So now one by one I will do. So now first here p is equal to nRT by V. Now if we do del P del T at constant volume, so the volume this V will come out, so nR by V and del T by del T, which is 1. Okay, now T is equal to PV divided by nR. So now del T by del V at constant pressure, so P will come out, so P by nR and V, that means del V by del V, that is equal to 1. Now V, so V is equal to nR, V is equal to nR by P into T. So here T is constant, so now del V by del P del V by del P at constant temperature, so T will come out. So nRT it will come out, nRT it will come out, and del P of 1 by P, which is nothing but minus 1 by P square. Okay, so I got this value, I got this value, and I got this value. Now this 3 if we multiply, so that is nR by V, and this is P by nR, and that is nRT into 1 by P square. So this P and 1P it will be cancelled out, this nR and this nR cancel out. So what I get finally, what I will get, I will get nRT by P minus nRT by PV. So what is nRT? nRT, that is PV. So that PV minus PV by PV is equal to minus 1. So this is the problem. This I think this was asked by one of my student. So hope you have understand. Thank you so much.